if you're a fashion designer or a small business owner like me, somebody who's still trying to grow their brand, you might need to listen to this. And I just want to share a few tips on what helped me to avoid stories of what I ordered versus what I got, or stories of customer getting a clothes and having fitting issues. So I want to share you a few tips on what I do that help me avoid issues like fittings, oversized wears, and the likes like that. And it has really been working for me. So the first thing I do is, when you are not in the same location where your customer is based, you can't not you cannot decide not to sew for people because you did not see them. So you have clothes to send clothes everywhere. You have clothes to send clothes to several locations. Apart from boo and the likes like that, those are maxi dresses. When you want to do normal fitted dress for your clients and you have not seen them before. So what I do is, the first thing I do is, after I have had a conversation with that particular client or that person, I make sure that I try to do a virtual measurement with them, even if they send me a measurement that is measured by another tailor. I think I stand to be corrected. We have some people we send measurements. The tailors will take them some measurements and they will take the wrong measurements and send it to that tailor. So what I do that really helps me is that I try to do a virtual measurement with that particular client. And how do I do this? I tell them to get a tape rule, get somebody who can help them take their measurements while they are standing. We are doing that video call, and so they take the measurements. I write down. I tell them what to measure, and that is how you get to take the measurement and compare to what was sent. So this will really help you a lot to avoid fitting issues. And another thing that really really helped me that that makes me not to avoid issues of what I ordered versus what I got, apart from the fittings and the likes like that, is style analysis. I try to analyze my customer styles properly. So whenever I get a an order, especially best spoke fashion designers, whenever I get an order for a dress and the picture is being sent to me, the first thing I do is to go to my Pinterest app and check the original maker of that dress. And I check sometimes some customers send you front view, some send you only back, some even use their mouth to explain, and some will even send you a blurry picture. So what I do is go to a Google search on my phone, or better still, use my Pinterest app, search the style properly. Sometimes in the process of searching, you get the original designer. You even get some process videos if they are complicated styles. You get process videos so that you can be able to do a proper style analysis. After which you sit your customer down and explain the style to them. If it is something that is a little complicated, you explain to them this, how do you want this, how do you want that. You ask them a lot of questions and you make sure that at interval you document every detail of whatever you are getting from them, so that when you are working on that dress, it will help you to stay guided. You'll be able to stay guided while cutting. It will help you to stay guided while sewing, and it will help you to stay guided when you are trying to do the fittings of that dress. And another thing that helps is when I am cutting, if it's a complicated style, I use pattern. I try to place it on a paper before I transfer it to the new fabric, so that in case you are going to have any error, it's going to be on the paper. You can easily correct it on the paper before you pass it to the cloth itself. And then just if you put all of this in place, it will help you to send clothes to different locations without having fitting issues, without having issues of what I ordered versus what I got. So I hope this tips is helpful. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer your question. I am a small business owner as well, and with this we can all grow together. Bye.